Wayne, the web developer from Wisconsin. Dad, the game is not working on my computer. Can you check it out, please? Sure, son. Let me see what is going on. Let me try it in another browser. Yep, I think it is a browser problem. Why, Dad? What is a browser? A browser is what you are using now to play your online game. It is software that enables us to see pages, games, videos, pictures, and text online. It translates HTML into all the things you see online. What is HTML, Dad? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I don't understand what that means, Dad. It is a language that browsers understand, son. Your game worked in one browser, but not in another because some game developers create a game that is best played using a particular browser. So when you try to play it in another browser, it will either not work or behave erratically. Can I create my own web page on the internet, Dad? Absolutely, and it is easy, son. All websites and web pages on the internet are made up of HTML code and other languages too, like JavaScript. Web pages are made from two sections, a head and a body. The head has things that describe the web page. The body has the code that you want to show to the world. It can contain text that tells people a bit about you, a picture, a video, or even a game if you programmed one. That sounds easy, Dad. So, I just write in English, and it will show on the internet. Almost, son. HTML uses special code called tags. All the billions of pages on the internet begin with an opening HTML tag and end with a closing /HTML tag. Inside these two tags are the two sections I mentioned earlier, the head/head section and the body/body section. But pages are very different online, Dad. How come they are all made up of the same tags? Houses are made from wood and drywall, son, but they have different looks, sizes, colors, and designs. The basic building blocks of houses are the same, but the houses themselves are different. Web pages have similar tags, or building blocks, but they have different content that is shown by the body section. A good analogy is people. They have the same looking skeleton, muscles, nervous system, and heart shape, but on the outside, they look and behave very differently. So similar tags are used to build the different content you see online, from simple one-page sites to complicated million-page huge company sites. What are building blocks, Dad? You play with your plastic blocks to create a car, a house, a fish, or anything else you want, right, son? Yes, Dad. Well, these are called building blocks. You use the blocks to build things. Same thing for a web page. It is built from building blocks called HTML tags. Do I have to learn this language to build my page, Dad? Not really, son. Today we have things called integrated development environments that make building web pages and websites very quick and easy. Some companies offer free services for you to create your web presence, like a website or a web page. You just need to create an account with them. However, if you want to work for a company that creates online games, or work with big companies that serve millions of people through websites, then you need to learn HTML and more. It is easy, and you can learn it in a week or less. You can either buy books, or just learn from the many free sources online. Let me give you just a glimpse of how easy a simple web page is. Write this code in a text file on your computer, then rename it to index.html and open it with your browser. HTML. Head/head. Body H1 Hello, my name is Wayne/H1. /body/HTML. It worked, Dad. It showed hello, my name is Wayne in large font. That is what the H1 tag does, son. It is heading level 1, which makes text big and bold. There are 6 different head tags, from H1 to H6. You can try them one by one if you like to see the difference. Or copy H1 hello, my name is Wayne/H1 5 times and change the numbers after the H tag. That is so fun, Dad. It showed the text in different sizes. It is, son. Web development is easy and fun, and you can do it to create a lot of things. Is my web page on the internet now, Dad? No, son. It needs to be on a server online. A server is a computer like yours, usually more powerful, that is on all the time. You upload your web page to that server, then browse to it from your local computer. All the web pages you see online are on a web server somewhere. How do I browse to my web page, Dad? If you want to have your own personal web presence online, you can register for your domain name, like www.theawesome50.com, and buy a hosting plan. When you upload your web page to your account and click on the domain name, you will see your page. Also, everyone in the world who visits your domain can see your page. What is a domain, Dad? It is a name you choose that is unique, and no one has chosen it yet. You can buy it from a domain registrar online. This domain is your personal address online. It can have a simple one-page site, or a huge millions of pages website. So, if I want to develop my own online game like the one I am playing now, what should I do, Dad? Choose and buy a domain name and a web hosting plan from an online vendor. Then create your game, test it, and upload it to your account. Finally, tell the world about it so they can visit your website and play the game. That sounds too easy, Dad. Because it is, son. The most difficult part is creating an interesting game people will enjoy. If you like programming, you can also make the game available on mobile devices, so more people can enjoy it. I think I will do that, Dad. Let me learn more about games from the game I am playing now. That evening Wayne had a dream. Next morning, he woke his dad up to tell him what he saw. Good morning, Dad. I had a dream last night. Good morning, son. What did you see? I became a web developer and created a game that helps kids learn about animals. They have to guess the animal's speed, or if they are given an animal's speed, they have to guess which animal it is. That is a nice game, son. What do they win in the game? They win badges, Dad. The closer their guess to the facts about the animal, the bigger the badge. That is a fun dream, son. I hope you become a successful web developer one day. I hope so too, Dad. Can't wait.